Celebrate. Definitions: to take part in a special enjoyable activities in order to show that a particular occasion is important. Example: they plan a grand party to celebrate their anniversary. Censor. Definition: to express strong criticism or disapproval. Example: the committee decided to censor the member for their inappropriate behavior. Center. Definitions: to put something in the middle of an area. Example: the new shopping mall will be centered in the heart of the city. Certified. Definitions: to say in a formal or official way, usually in the form of an official document, that something is true or correct. Example: the instructor will certify that you have completed the course. Challenge. Definitions: to invite someone to complete or take part, especially in a game or argument. Example: she decided to challenge herself by taking on a marathon. Charge. Definitions: to ask an amount of money for something, especially a service or activity. Example: the company will charge a fee for the extra services. Chasten. Definitions: to make someone understand that they have failed or done something wrong and make them want to improve. Example: the harsh criticism served to chasten him, making him more cautious. Chat. Definitions: to talk to someone in a friendly, informal way. Example: let's chat over coffee and catch up on life. Cheat. Definition: to behave in a dishonest way in order to get what you want. Example: he was caught trying to cheat on the exam. Cheer. Definition: to give a loud shout of approval or encouragement. Example: the fans begin to cheer loudly when their team scored a goal. Cherish. Definitions: to love, protect, and care for someone or something that is important to you. Example: she cherishes the memories of her childhood. Child. Definitions: to speak to someone severely because they have behaved badly. Example: the teacher chided the student for not doing their homework. Chime. Definitions: to make a clear ringing sound. Example: the clock will chime every hour. Circulate. Definitions: to go around or through something or to make something go round. Example, the rumors began to calculate quickly among the staff. Civilize. Definitions to educate a society so that its culture becomes more developed. Example, the goal of the mission was to help civilize the remote village. Claim. Definition. To say that something is true or is fact, although you cannot prove it and other people might not believe it. Example, he decided to claim his prize after winning the competition. Clap. Definitions to make a short loud noise by hitting your hands together. Example, the audience erupted in applause, clapping vigorously. Classify. Definition. To divide things or people into groups according to their type. Example, we needed to classify the documents into different categories. Clean. Definitions to remove dirt from something. Example, she plans to clean the house this weekend. Climb. Definitions to go up or to go towards the top of something. Example, they are exercises to climb the mountain this summer. Clinch. Definitions to finally get or win something. Example, the team managed to clinch the victory in the final moments of the game. Cling. Definitions to stick onto or hold something or someone tightly. Example, the child clung to his mother's hand in the crowded place. Clip. Definitions to cut something with scissors or a similar sharp tool. Example, she used a paper clip to clip the documents together. Coach. Definitions to give special classes in sport or school subject. Example, the coach will train the players for the upcoming tournament. Collect. Definitions to bring something together from different places. Example, he likes to collect rare coins from different countries. Collocate. Definitions to often be used together in a way that sound correct to people who have spoken the language all their lives. Example, the linguistic studied how words collocate in different languages. Comb. Definitions to arrange hair by filing a comb to it. Example, she spent an hour combing through her hair. Combine. Definition to exist together or join together to make a single thing or group. Example, they decided to combine their resources for the new project. Command. Definitions to give someone an order. Example, the general will command the troops during the operation. Commemorate. Definitions: to remember officially and give respects to a great person or event. Example: the statue was erected to commemorate the historical figure's achievement. In next tutorial, I will bring you English word with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification. See you in future video.